Here is how I go from flat, lifeless hair to keeping things clean and tidy with some extra volume. And of course today we are using Surf Salt Spray to do exactly that. As you guys can see, Surf Salt Spray is a natural hair volumizer and texturizer from Volt. Let me give you a quick demo of how it works in my hair before I tell you a little bit more about it. Shake it up a bit. Give your flat or greasy hair just a couple sprays. Scrunch it up a little bit in your fingers. Now you can see just how much more orderly and poofy my hair got. Feels a bit less oily as well. Now here is how Surf Salt Spray does this. Surf Salt Spray, like the name suggests, uses sea salt and water to give your hair some texture and volume. Now sea salt naturally dries things out. And as your hair gets oily and matted, it can clump together, stay flat, and look kind of lifeless and dull, kind of like mine did. Sea Salt Spray adds some body and some volume by soaking up some of those excess oils, as well as contaminants, making this actually a really effective dry shampoo as well, which is why you'll notice my hair doesn't look quite as oily as it did. Now if it was just a combination of salt and water, then a quick trip to the beach can solve all your problems. It would also dry your hair out a lot. So what Volt does is add certain things like moisturizers and exfoliants to the mix. As you can see here on the bottle, it says there's actually sea kelp extract added, which is a natural moisturizer to keep the drying properties of salt from damaging your hair, as well as green tea and charcoal. Now the activated charcoal helps exfoliate and soak up toxins from your hair as well. Now this is why I use sea salt spray, to give my hair some natural curl, as well as a dry shampoo if I'm on the run or don't have time for a quick shower. Not to mention you can get these awesome travel size bottles as well to keep in your car or your go bag, with some nice smelling ones like Outback here, which is sandalwood and musk scented. And apart from giving your hair some lift and volume, you'll notice it feels a bit softer as well. Now Volt is pretty eco-minded as well, so the added benefit of Volt Surf Salt Spray is that they are refillable. These are aluminum bottles. When you go on to voltgrooming.com, you can find aluminum refill packs that allow you to refill these bottles many times over. And when you buy an aluminum refill pack that is 100% recyclable, you're saving a lot of wasted plastic that you would otherwise just be throwing away when you grabbed another one of these off the shelves. In other words, if you're looking for something natural, something to give your hair a boost and maybe some cleanliness, as well as help out the environment, then you're definitely going to want to be looking at Volt Surf Salt Spray. Just want to say thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you learned something about the way sea salt spray works, the ingredients that you can find in sea salt sprays out there. Check out voltgrooming.com if you're curious about more info regarding Volt sea salt spray or any of the other natural products you can find on that website, and I will see you in another Volt video.